what is money and how does it work? Well, in today's video, I'm quickly going to answer this question and help you understand money as we know and use it today. Hi everyone, Crypto Carlin here from ChainEX, helping you navigate, understand and stay safe within the crypto space. Remember, the aim of this video series is to educate you on a variety of different topics, tips and strategies within the crypto industry so that you can make better and more profitable decisions. So let's talk about money. What is money? Now, at its core, money is nothing more than a tool to exchange value between two people, right? So this is why you will often hear folks talking about money as a medium of exchange. It's a way that two people can actually exchange value between one another. The dictionary defines it as a medium of exchange using coins or banknotes. Now, money as we know it today did not exist just out of thin air. We're just saying, oh, here we go, money, and money. No. It's taken hundreds and thousands of years for money to evolve to where it is now. So, having said that, let's consider a few things. Number one, money started in what we call the bartering system. So this was thousands of years ago, where you found we didn't have money as we know it today. So what were they using? They would use cattle, vegetables, anything that people attached value to, and they would exchange it between one another. And this was known as the bartering and trading system. So that's where things started. Then we find that about 3,000 years ago, people started using what they called cowrie shells. So they found value in these shells, and that was a medium of exchange between two people, right? Usually this would start off as a medium of exchange between a community, and then it extended from there. We actually found that around 600 BC, the very first coins are minted, right? 600 BC, I mean, that's crazy. Then from there, in 618 AD, we find that the first form of paper money is being used, and around 1861, we've got electronic forms of money. So I hope you've seen that by actually going back, you see how the monetary system has changed. Today, we've gotten to the point where worldwide, we are generally using money in the form of coins and notes and electronic forms of money as a medium of exchange. Now, the current monetary system that we have is known as fiat currency, right? Now, this is very important because our currencies up to a certain point were backed by a physical commodity. Our money today, as we know it, is not backed by any sort of physical commodity, and so it's got what we call free floating value. This now also means that governments are the one that's issuing money. Governments can decide to print as much money as they want to, and this is why you will always find that where there's a very stable government, the currency, the value of that currency is quite high. Whereas the value of a currency where a country is maybe politically unstable, you'll find that the value of that currency is pretty low. Now, some of the main characteristics of these fiat currencies include the fact that they are run by a central bank, they are issued by the governments. You need some sort of intermediary, right? So when I'm sending funds from myself to somebody else, I've got to actually have something in the middle to facilitate that whole process. There's usually a lot of fees, and also when I'm sending fiat currency from myself to anybody else around the world, there's a lot of fees and delays associated with that. So that's the good, the bad, and the ugly around money as we understand it at this point. So I hope that gives you a basic idea of what money is. Here at ChainEX, we love hearing from our community. So as part of this, I would love to actually get your feedback in the comments down below. Just let me know, what form of money are you mostly using? Are you mostly using cash, EFTs, your bank cards or credit cards, whichever one? It's just always interesting to know what people are doing out there, and we'd love to engage with you. Don't forget, if you found value in this video, go on and hit that like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all the videos that are going to be coming out on this series and on this channel. Thanks so much for joining me here on Crypto with Carlin, and I'll see you in the next video.